In my last video, I talked about your ideal garden spot. Have you identified your garden yet? If you have, could you leave it in the comments below? I would love to get to know you and what you would like to do with gardening. It does not matter whether you are a homeowner or renting. There is always an opportunity to garden. I have a story to share with you how I found mine. My name is Keenan, and I'm a professional gardener by trade with over 10 years of experience in farming and landscaping. Additionally, I have a degree in horticulture. I have professional connections in academia and also in business in the garden industry. I have a lot of experiences I would love to share with you. One thing that I know is that you will not need an absolute way to garden. We can tailor fit that approach to you. I was a college student at the time, and I was living in an apartment, and I had all these experiences gardening, but I wanted to garden on my own. But the problem was I didn't have my own piece of land. And so when you think of gardening, it is like, man, how do I garden without ground or soil? So I want to share an experience that I had that it just fell in my lap and to share with you. And that is, in my apartment where I dwell, is this piece of ground right here that you see right now. This was all in actually old grape arbor, dead branches pretty much. And I approached my landlord about it. What was it, a little over 4 years ago. And I approached my landlord and I asked him, hey, what's being done with this piece of ground right here? And he said nothing. And I wanted to know the history about it because I could tell there was, grapes there. And I asked him about it. And he goes like, yeah, my family had grown grapes several years ago. And this whole area used to be all in a grape arbor. And I said, well, is it possible that I could turn this area into a garden and make a garden, and I can upkeep it, make it look nice, and in exchange, I'm providing this favor to you, making it look nice, I can garden. He says, sure. And what he did, I got a sweet deal out of it. He let me use water source nearby at no cost to me. And pretty much I just had him bring in his backhoe. He's in a construction company, and he ripped out the old grape arbor branches. And from there I started working the ground and planting a garden. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, and comment down below, and I'll catch you in the next video.